So you're releasing something and they ask you for a custom link. It's an option. It's like, oh no, we're just going to go with the link that the business gives us. Don't do that. Here's why. Up next. When they give you a custom link option, you got to take it. You got to take it. Take it. Like for real. Take it. Take the option of having a custom link. What to do with that custom link? That's the real question. What you got to do with the custom link is make it something that relates to whatever you're releasing. An example for me, for my content, I just released my album that I've been working on for 5 months called Validation, link in description. My distributor, United Masters, gave me an option for a custom link for the master link. You can choose which platform you want to listen to it on: Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, iTunes, SoundCloud. Now, in the past, I used the custom link, but I never really used it to my advantage. I just made it Papa Will or Will Double S or something like that. What you got to do is you got to make the custom link related to that content that you are making. An example for my custom link, for my master link, for my album, I chose 5 months and counting because I've been working on this album for 5 months and I really, really am proud of it. I really wanted to share that with everybody. And I didn't want to message everybody about it because I have so much other material I want to text them about, like how I'm super proud of this. I've produced 3 of the tracks, how I collaborated with a bunch of other artists I have met on my journey, on my music career. Sure, people may not look at the link all the time, but if they just glance at it, it's like, oh, 5 months and counting. Is that a lyric in the song? A synonym of customized is personalized. You can personalize your bio, make it you, make it personal, make it about you. If you personalize your Instagram bio, why not personalize the custom link that whatever service you're using gives the option to you? And sometimes you have to pay for a custom link. And I'm not saying pay that amount of money for a custom link. Unless if you really, really are super serious about custom links. There's so much more stuff you should be using your money with in whatever you do. Music, that's what I do. And I'm a musician. I started out 2016. I started out whenever I was young, 6th grade. I was on SoundCloud using voice memos, and ever since then, I've grown up. I've learned how to be a musician, an actual, literal, serious musician, and learned all these things. And I want to share these things that I've learned, experienced along with my Cobra Kai videos. As my journey in music goes farther along the way, the custom links are made to be used, and you can use them to your advantage. Personalize them your way. And if you personalize them your way, then you'll be making the most out of your career. There are so many other great ways to make the most of your career, and custom links are just a tiny, small snippet of your career. It helps your fans, everybody you send the link to, everybody who sees it, know what it is all about. And that's why you should use custom links. If you ever ask me if I wrote a song about you, I'd probably say no, but that's not the truth though.